in this video I will share the dynamic validation in OBP API. We can upload one JSON schema to validation request payload. For example, we have this endpoint, the request body example. And we can copy this request example to create a corresponding JSON schema. Here is one online util. We can paste the example to generate a corresponding JSON schema. Okay, submit. Now we get the JSON schema. We can change the schema to do some validation. For example, make some rule for this field and this field. Click edit. We set one enum. Save. And set this field enum. Save. Okay, very simple validation rule. We can see the result here. Okay, we get the JSON schema. Now we will validate this endpoint, so we must copy the corresponding this endpoint operation ID from here. Copy it and create one validation. Paste the operation ID at here and copy the JSON schema and paste it here. Post. Now we upload the success. Go to the corresponding endpoint. Let me set a run value at here. Put. We need this row or this row, so send a request. Go to the API manager to accept. Now we have this row. Let me try again. From the response, we can see there are two fields set a wrong value, and here is the reason. Okay, let me change one to correct value and change another. Now it is success. Now I will create one dynamic entity and upload the corresponding validation. Okay, let me create one dynamic entity. Dynamic entity. Here, set the corresponding bank ID. And the entity name student. Okay, post. Success. Let me refresh. The student endpoint corresponding endpoints listed here. Okay, let me to create one student post. Now create a successful. Let me create a corresponding validation. Okay, paste it here and submit. We make one row for the name. For example, edit the name. Set one regex. The name can be the first name and the last name. The regex is invalid. Let me fix it. Okay, save. Let me copy the operation ID right here, and create one validation. Okay, paste the endpoint operation ID and copy the JSON schema. Paste it here. Okay, post. Let me create a student again. Student. Set a wrong name. Let me post. Okay, from the message we can say the name is not correct. Okay, success. Okay, then make a entity validation. Now I will create a validation for DynMaker endpoint. Let me check the DynMaker endpoint. Get all the DynMaker endpoint. Here we have one Swagger. Just corresponding to this group of dynamic endpoints. The host is set to OBP_mock, so every endpoint will just return the example response as the response. Okay, let me so the request and the response post. Okay, this response is just the example response. I will create one JSON schema for the request body, copy it, and paste to this online UTL and submit. Okay, we get the JSON schema. I will set the permission value must be one of given values. Okay, let me copy and modify it. Paste it here. And the permission item should be type should be string and value should be one value in the enum. the value must be this value or this value. Okay, copy it. We need this dynamic endpoint operation ID. Copy operation ID and create one validation. Paste it here, and the corresponding JSON schema, this value, and paste it here. Post. Okay, success. Let me go back to call that dynamic endpoint. Okay, let me set a wrong value at here and post. Now we get the error message. Okay, fix it and post again. Now it is success. Okay, in this video, I create 3 validations. One is for the common endpoint, and another is for the dynamic entity, and the last one is for the dynamic endpoint. Okay, that's all. Thank you.